faster rendering in Topaz Video AI 5.5. The big news with version 5.5 of Topaz Video AI is the ability to offload the rendering to the cloud for faster rendering. Using the Topaz servers, where there are multiple GPUs that can be employed to speed up the rendering. Rendering's always been an issue with all types of video enhancers. So this is big news to be able to offload. It means that your computer's not slowing down because of background rendering, and it also means that for laptop users, they can enable sleep on their machine without worrying about the rendering being paused or cancelled. Currently, the codecs that can be used for offline rendering are H.265 and AV1 codecs. When you're using cloud rendering, you're using credits. And if you're viewing this in November, it's Black Friday month. So make sure you take advantage of the Topaz Best Deal of the Year. The link for the Black Friday savings are in the description below. It gives you access to the Get It All at 54% off, or to Topaz Video AI by itself for 50% off. This is the biggest deal of the year from Topaz. The other big news that I haven't previously reported is the new GPU accelerated video player. And this gives you improved playback performance for near instant responsiveness. This is the old player with a scene of the waterfall. And this is the new player with the same clip of the waterfall. What a massive difference. And this new player was available from version 5.4, which also has the Hyperon SDR to HDR model. It's designed to perform inverse tone mapping, expanding the color gamut and brightening the highlights of input videos. It improves contrast and recovers details of highlights and shadow areas of the standard dynamic range, producing HDR10 output. And finally, let me show you the new RIA XL enhancement model. It's designed to handle complex textures in a more refined way. Look at these images of the rear enhancement of this fencing helmet. But be aware that the new RIA model requires significantly more VRAM and GPU power, so expect some longer processing times compared to Proteus and Iris. Let me show you. I'll turn on the enhancement button. Proteus is my normal model to use, so I'll process this green screen podcast. It's 1920 original, and to see the difference I'll just render 2 seconds. Here's the split screen view, the original on the left and the processed image on the right. There is an improvement in the processed image. Now I'll render using the RIA Advanced model. I've speeded up the processing. It took 2 minutes and 9 seconds for the RIA model, compared to 11 seconds for the Proteus model. And this is a split screen of the RIA model. Compare that with the Proteus model. And then again with the RIA model. You can see the difference for yourself. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget the Black Friday deal. Link it in the description below. Thanks for watching.